The first time I traveled alone, my hands were shaking at the airport. People were speaking English everywhere. At the check-in counter, at security, at the cafe. And I felt lost. I wanted to ask for help, but I was scared. What if I said something wrong? What if they didn't understand me? But then I took a deep breath and said, "Excuse me, can you please tell me where the check-in counter is?" The lady smiled and said, "Sure, this way." That small moment gave me so much confidence. I realized English is not about speaking perfectly, it's about speaking bravely. When I reached the counter, the woman said, "Good morning, may I see your passport, please?" I smiled and replied slowly, "Yes, here you go." She asked, "Where are you flying today?" And I said, "I'm flying to Japan." She gave me my boarding pass and I said, "Thank you so much." My heart was still racing, but I was proud. Then at security, a man asked, "Do you have any liquids or electronics?" And I said, "Yes, I have a laptop." He said, "Please take it out." I smiled and did it. Every small sentence made me stronger. After that, I went to a cafe because I was hungry. The waiter said, "Hello? What would you like to order?" I said, "Can I have a sandwich and a cup of coffee, please?" He smiled. "Sure. Would you like milk in your coffee?" And I replied, "Yes, just a little, please." It was such a simple conversation, but it made me feel brave. Then I sat near the window and thought, wow, I'm really speaking English while traveling. When I boarded the airplane, the flight attendant said, "Welcome aboard." "Please find your seat," I said. "Thank you, I'm in seat 14A. She smiled. "Enjoy your flight." When the plane took off, I looked outside the window and whispered to myself, "This is it. I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm doing it." During the flight, she asked, "Would you like chicken or pasta?" I said, "Chicken, please." Then she asked, "Anything to drink?" And I said, "Orange juice, please." Each small English sentence made me feel like I was moving closer to my dream. When we landed, I had to go through immigration. The officer said, "Purpose of your visit?" And I said, "I'm here for vacation." He said, "How long will you stay?" I said, 1 week. He smiled and said, "Enjoy your trip." I walked away thinking, wow, I really spoke English everywhere. I took a taxi and said to the driver, "Please take me to Sakura Hotel." He nodded and said, "Sure. Sit back and relax." As we drove through the city, I looked at the lights and realized something very powerful. English is not a subject you study. It's a language you live. Every word you say, every thank you, every please, every smile, it's part of your journey. That night, I sat near the hotel window, looked outside at the beautiful city, and said to myself, I did it. I spoke English. I wasn't perfect, but I was brave. And that's what matters. So, if you're watching this, remember, you don't need perfect English to travel. You just need courage. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and speak with confidence. Because every time you try, you grow. Tell me in the comments, have you ever tried to speak English while traveling? What was the first English sentence you said? I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English stories. Remember, English is not just a language, it's your passport to the world. And as my journey came to an end, I realized something very special. English is not just a language, it is a bridge that connects hearts and opens new doors in life. When I ordered food in another country, when I asked for directions, when I met new people, I wasn't just speaking English, I was building confidence, step by step. I learned that mistakes don't make us weak, they make us real. Every time I said a wrong word, I learned a new one. Every time I tried, I grew. So if you are learning English, don't wait for the perfect time or perfect words. Just start today. Speak slowly, speak proudly, and remember, confidence doesn't come from perfection. It comes from courage. One day, you will look back and smile because you didn't give up. You spoke, you learned, and you grew. Keep going. Your English journey has just begun. If you like this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who also want to speak English confidently. Remember, speak slowly, smile, and never stop learning. Because every word you speak takes you one step closer to your dream.